Right, boys, didn't need time to play with. This is an old elevator panel that came from an old elevator in a swimming pool here. It was getting too old. It's built in 1982, so this is a 1982 elevator panel. And look at my new wallpaper on my desk. Elevator brands. And the swimming pool was too old and in bad condition, so they built a new one and destroyed the old one. But there was an elevator that says 3 stories, ground, first and second floor. So 3 buttons. Ground, first floor, second floor. Should forget to unplug this. And it was a traction elevator built by BRINKMAN in 1982. And it was pretty slow and pretty small. Can handle up 300 kilograms, so 4 persons. It was pretty hard to get a wheelchair in. As you can see, this is the elevator panel with a metal box. And on the bottom there goes some wire inside of it. And so I got an adapter here to power the light and alarm button. And I'm trying to plug it in now. See, it's coming on. So I already got the alarm button. See? Alarm. Then we got the door open button. The ground floor button. With the working light. It's incadecent light for the old first floor and the second floor. I want to click on the light. So look at these buttons from the side. They're pretty nice. There we go. I'm going to take the screws out. There we go. Here she is. Let's get this button out. So you can see once I push down, it comes on. It's incadecent light bulb. It's being hooked up by the wire coming in from the adapter. A little jumper here across and with the button on. So here's the alarm button. Door open. Ground. First. Second. Beep. Beep. No. There's even no connection with the alarm central. Just only a bell. And one thing is I forgot to remove that bell coming down. So I guess that's it.